Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in. I am so glad that you guys are able or you guys have shown interest in this community, and we are aspiring to help you in getting you to the next level. In the gold membership, what all you are going to get, how we are going to help you in accelerating your journey to be a very successful mutual fund distributor. That all I am going to discuss with you in this session. So most of you must have cleared your first hurdle of getting your ARN, and I hope in the level one, which is silver, in that you got lot of insights, lot of value. Now, in this level, it is altogether a different ball game. And why I'm saying so? I'm saying so because if you want to grow faster, then the maturity level which is going to be requiring from your side would be very different. And that's why the goal level. In goal level, the kind of accountability, the kind of discussion, the kind of value sharing which we are going to have would be totally different. So I'm going to take you through one by one as what all you can expect from the gold membership and how we can help you in taking your mutual fund distribution business to the next level. And let's dive into it so that you can get some clarity as what all you can expect in the gold membership. So coming back to the presentation which I have prepared for you. So the first thing which you need to understand is what you are going to get in gold membership, which will be different from what you have been getting in your silver membership. First is it will be a personalized hand holding. I would be personally looking into the development which you are having or what kind of actions you are taking regarding mutual fund distribution business so that I can give you a feedback as what you are doing right or what you are not doing so right so that you can accelerate your journey as a mutual fund distributor. It is mostly a feedback because we all are into the different geographies of India. We will have different kinds of customers. We will have different kinds of thought process, the way of working, the time availability with you, the kind of businesses you are in. So we need to look into to all those parameters and then take a real time feedback and then work upon. So in this journey of gold membership, I would be diving deep into as what you guys are actually doing and what you need to do so that you can be having a very successful mutual fund distribution business. I will be also sharing a lot of insights and advice, which I will be sharing with you on a real time basis so that you can learn from those insights which I'm getting from the market. As I, since you guys know that I've worked for long, I get a lot of feedbacks and developments which are going to take place in mutual fund industry and what these AMCs guys are going to do. If we know well in advance, it is going to help you in structuring your business in an effective level. So all those things also we are going to discuss and share with you on a real time basis. Now, what we mean by real time basis? We mean by real time basis is whenever I get any news, we will have a close group of board members where we are going to share, discuss, and develop our strategy. Now, here the accountability will be totally different. Here, every week, we are planning to have a live discussion with you. We are going to set the goal as what you need to do in the coming 7 days. And once we meet the next week, we are going to see what all guys you guys have achieved and what all things you need to take into account so that you guys are on the right path. The most important thing is taking action, and in this membership my aim is to make you accountable so that every week you are motivated to take your action to the next level. So by bit every week, if we are able to improve something in our business in ourselves, I think we can be a very successful mutual fund distributor. So these are all things which are going to be different. Now let me show you what you are going to get in our flagship course, which is mutual fund biz setup challenge. So this is the course which we are going to get as a flagship course. So in this course, what you guys are going to get? The first thing is we are going to work upon your mindset. Now, I firmly believe, and my experience says, you cannot grow your business if you are not ready to grow yourself. So we are going to work on your mindset as what kind of thought process you should have so that you can grow faster in business. So how to focus, how to take out all the what we can say, all the noises which are happening around you, how you should channelize your energy so that you guys can be successful, and not only successful, a very successful entrepreneur in this mutual fund distribution business. I am also going to share with you investor targeting strategy, how to target to your right kind of customer so that the winning percentage for you would be much higher. Now, what I mean by that? I mean by that is we meet 100 clients. Okay. Now, if in that 100 client, the winning percentage, it means how many customers we are going to be sharing or we are going to get business from would be lot lower. So say it is 5% to 10% for most of us. So I am going to discuss with you what kind of clientele you should be targeting so that you guys let me, I think screen is blurred, so let me share the screen. Just let me share with you on the thing. I hope now this is more clear to you. So what I was trying to say is that suppose we are meeting say 4 clients of 100 clients in a month or whatever time period you take. Now the number of meetings which we are going to do and number of customers which we are going to convert, it will be 5 to 10% in generally sales. Now my endeavor will be to sharpen your targeting of the clients tell so that your winning percentage or conversion percentage for the client can be reached say 20% or 25%, so that for the same effort you will be able to get more business. Other thing which I am going to help you is targeting non-individual category. Now this is a set of customers which are a very good source for income and it can multiply your business in no time. So corporates or cooperative societies and various other non-individuals are there which you can target and you can get very good business. And it is not only for big business. From there you can target lot of retail investments also. So how to go about it, how to plan your strategy to get your retail as well as your non-individual customers, that we are going to discuss. I am also going to personally help you in strategizing your next 3 years game plan as a mutual fund distributor. How to start and how to build your base, then how to scale up in coming next 3 years. What should be your agenda? What should be your strategy? That I am going to devise and discuss with you so that you have a clear-cut roadmap how you would like to go from here. Then we are going to give you a strategy regarding lead automation. Now we got a lot of information, we get a lot of data, we might be having lot of information with ourselves. Now how to structure that data in an effective manner so that we can target right kind of a customer at right time with right strategy. That is very important. हमारे पास we will have lot of information, lot of data. We will be getting day in day out lot of leads, but whether we are able to structure that lead in an effective manner and we are able to track that. Suppose today we have contacted somebody, how to track that, whether that will be what should be the next follow up and how we need to negotiate with them, what we need to talk to them. All those things I am going to cover with you. Now, I am also going to give you resources and insights how you can build your own website with rupees 1500 for 3 years. It will include your domain name. It will also include your hosting in case you don't know this technical thing. Your total websites you will be able to build with rupees 1500 for 3 years time period. In 3 years, you don't have to pay even a single rupee. This is the one-time payment. Now, the website you need to build yourself. I am going to guide you how to make your own website. If you have seen my website, mentorshowbit.com, I have built on the same platform, and I am going to guide you how you can build your own website. Okay, so it will be a game changer. If you today go to the market to ask for building your website, they will charge you anywhere between 10 to 20,000 rupees, but at a very dirt cheap price. How you can do that, that I am going to tell you, so that you can make your own website with your own taste. We are also going to help you in strategizing your email marketing. Now, in case you guys are seeing my emails, how structured it is, I am going to tell you the same system, how you can also create your own email marketing, so that every now and then you keep on sending emails to your clients or prospects, so that you can engage with them. Now, initially, it may not seem so important, but believe me, this helps in creating brand for yourself. If you are sending email from Gmail, and if you're sending email from your own email ID, like I have mentorshowbit.com at the last, so that creates altogether different impression. It shows that how professional you can be. So I am going to help you in devising your own email marketing strategy. I am also going to help you in your WhatsApp marketing. So I keep on sending WhatsApp messages to you, how you can also use same kind of aesthetics, same kind of infrastructure to send and engage your customers, your prospect through WhatsApp. That's also I am going to share with you in this course. I am also going to share with you how you can do SMS marketing. Now, those who have seen the SMSs which I am sending, it will have my brand name, which is Mentor Shobit. Same way how you can also do, and how you can send and engage your prospect or existing customers through SMSs, so that you may be looking, or you will be perceived by your client as a professional. That also I am going to reveal to you in this course. I am also going to help you in understanding and giving you a software through which you can monitor your business at a one common place. Now, in the silver level, I have shown you how you can monitor your business through different websites or apps of CAMS and Carby separately. But in this course, I'm going to show you a software through which you can monitor all your business from various AMC at one place. So you have an aggregate data as how you will be able to see on a real-time basis how much business you have done in which AMC and so on and so forth. I am also going to help you with the software which you can give to your client. They can access their portfolio either on mobile or on the desktop. Now I am going to teach you how to use this software. Okay, now and you need to purchase this software, and I'm going to guide you as how you are going to use this software, because I am also using the same software. It is not very costly. It is a cheap software, but it is a good software for mutual fund distributors. If you want to give your client to see what is their value, if your client is asking, then you can give them login either on the desktop or on the mobile, so that you can have a good brand name for yourself. So that also I'm going to help you with. More importantly, and I think this is one of the most important thing, we are going to tell you to devise a multi-asset strategy and multi-product strategy. Now, in this course, I am going to tell you how you can advise your client to invest in multi-assets, equity, debt, or say gold. Besides that, also, I am going to take you beyond mutual funds. Now, if you consider PMS, if you consider IAFs, if you consider various other non-conventional investments, there the revenue which you can generate would be much higher. And there are a lot of other technical things which you need to understand once you start building your business at a higher scale. And these kinds of products can help you in growing fast your revenue. Your mutual fund AUM is one part of the business. But if you want to get really a big clientele, or you want to grab HNIs, they are looking beyond the traditional products. So we are going to discuss and I'm going to guide you how to take other products also into your basket so that you can cater all kinds of investors, but more importantly, how you can get higher revenue for your effort. So that I am going to discuss with you in the course. I am going to guide you on this course. I am also going to guide you how to create your own logo, how to create your own aesthetics. I am also going to help you in case you are having your physical office, what all things you need to do so that it has a good visibility, how you can do that at a very low cost by taking help of the mutual fund companies, what all things you should be doing so that you have a professional outlook for your physical presence, that I am going to work out with you. I am also going to help you with doing a proper branding in terms of, as I told you, logo, then your visiting cards and every other aesthetics, which is going to impact your professionalism in the business. I am also going to help you in doing and helping you in creating an online appointment system. Now, most of the time, what we do, we call the customer and then take their time for meeting or for doing the interaction. But I am going to set up a mechanism for you through which you will be able to give a link to your client, and depending upon his availability, he can book a time or an appointment with you, and at the same time you can have an interaction with him online. Now it will be saving your time also, and it is going to help you in looking more professional, because now you are not doing these things on a the individual level or a manual level. Now it will be automated, and it will speak a lot about your professionalism, and it will create more branding for you, because now you will say, sir, this is the link. Whenever you have time, you book your slot. We are going to meet and discuss online or offline, whatever you feel comfortable with. So the other thing is we are going to have an online offline marketing strategy. So how to do your online marketing, how to like if you have seen my Facebook ads, in case you would like to dive into that, how to go about it in case you want to grow your business at a scale, what strategy you should be using on the online platforms as well as on the offline world, all those things you are going to get in this course. Then the most important thing, we are going to have weekly strategy session with all our gold members. It will be different from what we do at a silver level. There we are going to resolve only any issues we have. But here the interaction will be one-on-one. It will be a hot seat basis. So all board members, I am going to put on the hot seat, and I am going to ask them to come online, and then we are going to discuss what you guys are, what you are doing, what you need to modify, what you need to take into account, so that, and what you have done. As I told you, the accountability will be there. This week we are going to set a game plan, and next week we are going to discuss what you have achieved, where you have stopped, so that we can help you in that. So this hot seat session, it will be for 12 months in this package, where every week for the 52 weeks we are going to meet live, and all the gold members will be there. But all the gold members, I'm going to discuss one by one the strategy, where you are lacking, what you need to do, what all you things have to be taken into account. So this is our flagship course which you are going to get in case you decide to join our gold membership. And with this, you are going to get some additional bonuses. So let me tell you what are the bonuses which you are going to get. The first bonus which you are going to get is mutual fund selection formula. Now the for mutual fund selection secret which you got in the level 1 silver course, that was to give you a glimpse of what all things you need to look into from the technical perspective. Here we are going to dive deep into to have a fine balance between the revenue which you are going to get from the scheme as well as performance. So it will not be only on the basis of performance, but our aim should be to also keep in mind the revenue part of it. So what I mean by that, if you are looking at the performance of the scheme which has already been delivered, say you are saying I am going to take a 5-star rated fund, or I am going to select a scheme which is having a Sharpe ratio of say 1. Now that has already been done in the past. On that basis, if you are going to select a scheme, it may or it may not perform in the future. So if you are investing for the future gain, the better strategy would be to see the portfolio of the scheme. Why? Because the portfolio of the scheme is going to give the returns in the future. So those kinds of insights I'm going to share with you, that what schemes you need to take so that the future performance of those schemes would be much better. That's why I am going to give you my recommendations as what kind of scheme you should be pitching to your client, in which will be suitable in terms of performance as well as in terms of revenue. So what kind of commission I am getting, I am going to share with you, and then you can also discuss with your local relationship managers or branch managers of mutual fund company, and then negotiate with them so that you can get best outcome for the investments or the business which you are doing. There are a lot of other aspects which also we need to keep in consideration, like who is the RM, what is the relation you have with the mutual fund company, what are the local factors which you need to keep in mind. And for all equity fund, debt fund, solution oriented funds, for all these category funds, I am going to dive deep into in this course, that what all you need to look into it. I am also going to give you resources, but more importantly, I am going to give you my recommendation, which we have prepared by putting all the consideration into mind, performance as well as the kind of commission which you can get from those schemes, so that you have a better management in terms of the portfolio of the client, as well as the commission which you are going to earn from those investments. So these all things which will be covered in the mutual fund selection formula course. This will be a bonus which you are going to get in case you are going to join our gold membership today. Other thing is, this is a course which is called Investor Winning Formula. In this course, I am going to discuss, and I have discussed in detail, what all things you need to do while you are talking to your client or while you are engaging to your client. So I have discussed with in this course what should be the communication strategy from the first meeting, what all things you need to keep in mind, what all things you need to tell, how to pre-frame the client. Pre-frame means before actually talking about mutual fund investments, what other things you need to talk to your client, and what things you need to ask your client so that he is mentally prepared to start doing investment in mutual funds. Now it is very simple to say the mutual fund is giving very good return, but there are some particular set of questions which you need to prepare well in advance, and that you need to talk to your client so that while he answering those questions, he realize that what value proposition a mutual fund can offer. At the same time, you need to structure your questions in such a manner that he is able to realize that you are different from others whom he has interacted till now. The question itself will show the value proposition which you are only going to offer vis-a-vis any other things which the client is doing. So all those things we are going to discuss in this course. I am also going to give you a review strategies regarding how to prepare your own ebook for free. Now, if you have downloaded my three-step mutual fund guide, you might have seen some glimpse of it. I'm going to help you in how to create your own PDF guide so that you can distribute and collect lot of emails and phone numbers. So you can say, in case you want to know how to invest in mutual fund, you can download this ebook for free. And in case they want to download, you are going to tell them, please provide your email ID and phone number. I am going to send that book to your email ID. So in that case, you are going to get lot of free leads for yourself so that you can engage with them in future for the mutual fund business. To how to create this are called lead magnets, how to create lot of lead magnets through which you will be able to get lot of free leads for you, that I am going to reveal to you in this course. How to do client profiling. Now we will be having say 100 clients. Some will be worth say 1 crore, some will be worth at 10,000, some have will have a future potential which is very good. He may not be having a good potential now, but in future he is young, he will be having a lot of good growth in his income. So how to profile your client, because I cannot give all client the same time. I need to channelize my resources because I am having only 24 hours with me, right? So how to channelize my resources, how to whom I should give more time, to whom I should give less time, how to do that, that I have discussed with you in this course. I have also discussed in this course how to do a proper investor awareness program. Now, this is a program which you can conduct every now and then to engage your customers. And there in this course, I'm going to tell you that how you guys are going to talk in this forum so that you can engage and gain respect of your customer, that I am going to discuss with you. I have also discussed in this course how to create a lot of freebies which you can give to your client and create a lasting impression in their mind. Okay, so how to do that, and in that process you can also get a lot of free leads, and how to go about it I am going to discuss in this course. Now the big part is whatever I have learned in my CFP, that is certified financial planning. From that I am going to give you some golden nuggets as how to plan, or the how to create a financial plan for your client. So it will be altogether a different ball game if you are able to see the value proposition I am talking about. I am going to give you a ready format through which you can plan retirement of your client, you can plan kids education for your client, you can do a proper structuring for your client so that you are not seen as a mutual fund distributor, but you are seen as an financial planner for your client. How to do this professionalism, how to structure your presentation, how to share those details with your client, those all things I have discussed and given you the resources which you can use. Okay, so how to do the execution plan, doing investments for the portfolio creation. As I told you, our endeavor always should be not to give a scheme but to give a portfolio. How to create portfolio for a client, what all things you need to keep in that. Please remember, you are going to be creating a multi-asset portfolio, not a multi-scheme portfolio. There is a huge difference between creating a multi-asset portfolio and creating a multi-scheme portfolio. I am going to help you in creating a multi-asset portfolio so that your client will be having a better risk-adjusted return, and that you are going to learn this course. So this course will have all these insights which you are going to get. Okay. Now, after that, the last bonus which I'm going to give you is I'm going to help you in creating your digital setup. Now, what you are going to get in this digital setup, this will be a live session, because I don't want you guys to give you a recorded session, because I know you guys will not be able to do structured manner. So how to create your Instagram profile? I'm talking about business Instagram profile, not the individual business profile. How to create your professional Facebook page, your Facebook group, so that you can get all your client into that. All those things you are going to get in this course. Okay. Now, how to create your LinkedIn profile, your Twitter profile, your Quora profile, your YouTube profile. All these things I am going to help you in a live session. So step by step, I will be keep on guiding you so that you guys can create your own profile in a session, and that will be looking much more professional. So in case your client clicks any profile, he will be able to see what all value proposition you can offer to him. Now you can create all this profile on your own, but please remember the aesthetics which are required from a mutual fund point of view would be totally different. I am going to help you in creating a profile where you are going to have a proper aesthetics which can help you, or which can create a proper attraction for your client, and that we are going to help you in this course. I am also going to help you in creating your social proof. It means, suppose your client wants to inquire about you, he is going to see a good value proposition for you. Now, suppose today you type Mentor Shobit in Google, you are going to see 5-star rating for me in Google review. You are going to see rating in Trustpilot. How to create your own social proof, how to get the testimonials of your clients so that you are having a much more visibility in the market, that we are going to help you in doing that. I am also going to help you in creating your own risk profiler. Now, risk profiler is very important, and most of or 99% of the mutual fund distributors are not there in the doing in the market. How to create your risk profile for your client with your own branding, with your own logo, so that the client thinks that it is from you and not from some third party. That we are going to help you in this course. So these are the four course bundle which I am offering you in your gold membership. So in case you think that this all courses are going to be helping you in taking your game to the next level, then I would love you guys to join this course, where the accountability will be much higher, where we are going to sit every week. We are going to discuss what you guys are doing, what you guys have done, what you need to do more. I am also keep on learning every day. So those insights, those information which I'm going to get, that I'm going to share with you in this course. So in case you guys are really serious, I'm going to give you a very special price point for today. Only if you think that I we can together grow fast and we can help each other in taking this game to the next level, then my introductory offer I'm going to give you, and I would like you guys to take this offer. I would love to work with you. Okay. So